So these students are learning about Johnson Controls day one when they become students at Lincoln Tech. The rooms are branded with our products and our logos, and they really are very eager to be part of Johnson Controls. So that when we interview them and place them into roles, they already are getting very, very familiar with who we are, what we do, and how they're going to serve the community.
The way I view this partnership is Lincoln Tech is creating what I think is the secret sauce to our business. We're bringing in not only talent, but we're developing that talent that will sit right at the most critical point in our company, between our company and the customer. So having technicians out in the field that not only add value in terms of their technical skills, but also their relationship building skills, they become really brand facing for JCI. So I see this as part of probably the most critical aspect of our human resources pipeline at Johnson Controls.
It's nothing but great memories at Lincoln Tech. I was very informative. All the instructors were amazing. They taught me everything I needed to know. They were very hands-on, and they didn't hold my hand the entire way. So I got to stumble and learn and grow as an individual. I came here with out of a 10, 2, maybe 3 confidence level. But after experience everything here, I would say I'm a solid 8, maybe 9, but we'll have to see how I am on the field.
The programming was something new to me, but taking it day by day, I feel like I'm a little more confident in being able to program cameras, IP them, go through the settings and all that. With trade school, I like to work with my hands, so it was a really good investment on my part.
You get to touch so many different panels and systems that at the end of the day are essential for most business. Security, intrusion, access control. I mean, it's been great. I never touched them before, and I felt very confident now when I get down to it. Feel like I at least got the basics and feel like I can be helped.
Lincoln, we're here to work with companies as well as students. And by being partnered with Johnson Controls and expanding that partnership to give more students across the country an opportunity is what we're all about. In Lincoln, we want to be the leader in career technical education. And we're going to get there by being partnered with leading companies like Johnson Controls. We're going to continue to expand and open up new campuses around the country. And as we do that, we'll be able to leverage these relationships to help more students and help more employers in the future.